A group of students from UPNG, Unitec, UNRE and UOG approached us, hoping they could get the word out to their leaders. They want the former support, which included partial payment of their school fees, restored.
I think he should look into the tertiary students more importantly, because we are the elites of a central province and he has to learn to work with us in terms of funding our education and the little things that will make a big difference for our province itself.
The students say their governor, Robert Agarobe, has promised to restore the support in funding for tertiary students. However, it must be better organized and transparent.
We feel that it has to be more structured, or it has to be done in a more formal way, so that there is a fair, all students have fair access to this kind of assistance from the government.
The student leaders say when the program is introduced, it should include all students, not just those who've been to school in the province prior to tertiary education.
We cannot look at education in isolation. We cannot see education or tertiary students or secondary students on its own. We need to see it in connection with all these other sectors which the government is trying to tap into.
Previously, the education support program was run under the old administration before it was stopped. The governor for Central, as part of the change, envisions a smarter Central and for parents and students to assume the responsibilities of paying for education. Students can apply for assistance through Help Loan program from the national government. However, the Central students believe at the provincial level, another option should be available for students.
For the Help program as a whole, the scheme itself, I think it's a good initiative, but then there's setbacks. We know that with a large number of graduates going out and the number of employment, the number of job spaces is quite limited, and our country is already in debt and we can't have more debt in terms of our human resources. So I feel that they should really look into subsidizing school fees for another option, a much better option in Help program. It's a great initiative.
Redley Valenaki, National EMTV News.